In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic mega menu for your website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a stylish and functional menu that enhances your site's navigation and improves the overall user experience. Let's dive in. To get started, make sure you're on the home menu of your website editor. This is your central hub, where you typically begin any customization or design work on your site. From here, you'll want to locate the option that says Website on the menu. Once you click that, a list of different panels will appear, where you'll find one labeled Pages. Go ahead and select that. Within the Pages panel, you'll notice various sections, and one of them is called Not Linked. This section is designed to house pages that aren't directly visible in your main navigation. Perfect for what we're about to do. To proceed, you'll spot a plus icon here. Clicking this will give you the choice to create a new blank page. This will be the foundation for your mega menu. Now, it's time to name your new page. Keep the name descriptive and functional. Something like Mega Menu Shop is excellent because it tells you, at a glance, exactly what the page is for. Remember, this title is for your reference only and won't appear on the public-facing side of your site. So feel free to be as specific as you like. Having named your page, the exciting part begins: designing it. This is where you'll lay out all the elements you'd like in your mega menu dropdown. Think about how you can use sections and blocks effectively. You can create a visually appealing design by arranging different elements that may include text, images, or even product listings if you're using this for an e-commerce site. Consider creating columns to help organize the information logically. This structure helps to keep everything neat and easy to navigate once the mega menu is live. It's important to remember that while creativity is key, functionality should drive your design decisions. Be sure the layout is intuitive so visitors can find what they're looking for easily. You might want to preview the page as you build it, ensuring each element is clear and accessible. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you're on your way to mastering a mega menu that not only enhances your website's navigation, but also creates an engaging user experience. Keep exploring different design techniques, experiment with the arrangement of your elements, and pretty soon you'll have a menu that's a real highlight of your site. Thanks for watching today. I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your website design.